Greetings. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're considering buying this USB humidifier. I have not unboxed this yet, so I will do so live on the camera and try to set it up and get it running, and you'll see everything I do same time I do. So, pan the camera down. I will admit that when I first was made aware of this product, I thought it was an unusual mix of water and electronics. But if I become electrocuted, then I guess consider that a public service. First of all, the item is surprisingly heavy. It feels like it may be made of glass or metal. Certainly well packaged. Yeah, it's actually glass. So that's interesting right off the bat. So you fill it thusly through the tiny hole. And certainly is a small aperture. It doesn't take much, and it's actually magnetically affixed, looks like, on the top. Yeah. Okay. So let's fire this puppy up and see what happens. I have my handy ammeter here, so we can tell how much power it's drawing out of your device to work. I see no obvious switch of any kind. It's drawing no power, so say open cover and 100 milliliters of water into the container, approximately 80%. I think I did that. Cover the container, connect USB cable with your computer, touch the vibrations switch to spray. The vibration switch. Huh? The vibrate. Place in the direction. Doesn't make any. It says the. Okay, so I'm not sure how you would read these instructions, but maybe you even can, given the vibration switch. So it looks. So it acts as if. Okay. So you gotta tap it on the base, and you see it's going through its color. Going through various colors. It is obviously, it's very humid, I'll give them that. So it's attractive. I wonder what happens if I turn it upside down. It's drawing a paltry 0.28 amps, by the way. So no big draw on the power source. Okay, so it works. It seems relatively high quality. I guess my only real question is, what happens if I knock it over or tip it over? It seems to stay. Okay, well, all right. I will accept this as a surprisingly positive thing after you figure out how to turn it on. Just kind of bang it on the desk, apparently. Switch it on the bottom. So, okay. All right. So hopefully that's helpful. If it's not, leave me a comment. Let me know what else I should tell you about USB humidifiers, and I'll endeavor to do better next time. But until next time, happy shopping.